We have updates on the Hyperlane airdrop as well as the Owlto Finance airdrop. So with that said, we jump straight. I want to start off this video with the most important airdrop that we have, and this is Kinto. Kinto is coming out in 10-12 days approximately, and if you go over to their page, by the way, they have announcement and all that, you will see nobody talking bad about this project. This is really hyped up. The market price, as of right now, it is only on the pre-market, which we know is going to be a little bit all off the rails. But we are looking at $45. This means that the Kinto protocol is valued at $450 million. The speculation were that this would be at $1 billion valuation, which would make the project be $100 a token, as there are only 10 million tokens, just to keep in mind. But you can still farm this airdrop, you're not too late. All you gotta do is like Hyperliquid. The more you trade, the more possibility you have to earn the airdrop. So go and trade. The fees that you generate from the trade is what you will get as the reward. So make sure to go and do that right now. This is a trading airdrop which will come in 10 days. You still have the time to even scale to deliver and be first if you know how to trade and if you spend money on fees. And also, as we see here from my portfolio, you can also simply deposit USDC. If you deposit USDC token or wrap token, you get the points. But if you simply deposit stable coins on the trading platform without trading, you also get token. As we see here, I get for about 10,000, I get about 1.2 per day. So this is a little bit of the differences, but to go and do it, make sure to go and trade over here, get your fees up and get the airdrop, because this is probably going to be one of the biggest airdrop out there this year. Nobody's talking bad about it. Everybody is liking it. Find me a comment where they say something bad about it. Everybody is super happy about this. It is one of those few airdrops that people are not shaming on the community. Onto the laptop, the first thing first is the Owlto and the Soneium badge. As you see here, Soneium has released new badges that you can go and grab over on Owlto. This is the official page, so the link will be down below. You got 11 days to do so, and we see here that Owltors who complete 1 breach to Soneium can claim this badge. 3 breach, 5 breach. We got then Owltors who complete 3 swaps on Soneium can claim it. Owltors who complete swap at least of 0.005 ETH. And we know that Soneium is all about the badges. They introduced the badges for the OG, and now they introduced these badges as well. So make sure to go and grab them. The link is down below. It is very easy to go and do. These are the missions. You go over here, you go to the bridging. Over here you have other missions as well for the Owlto airdrop. You can bridge to Soneium as we see here, and then for the swaps, you make sure to go and do the swaps, which it is very simple. If you don't find this, simply go over here, go to swap now. You will be redirected to the swap chain Soneium, and you are good to go. So make sure to go and try them. Make sure to go and do them, as they are important for all of you. Next up, let's talk about the Hyperlane airdrop as soon as this. And this is one of those airdrop which I am personally doing a lot. Like, I like Hyperlane, I utilize it a lot. I utilize a lot of protocols, and it seems like their airdrop claim.hyperlane.foundation is out. Now, this is no official announcement, so please do not click any links that you see on the internet until I take you, but it is coming close. The airdrop is very close. The Hyperlane airdrop is coming soon. How many projects are you monitoring? You can see over here that there is a lot of interest from the community, and this is one of those airdrops that I will not short. I will not go and short and, hope to make some profit while it goes down. I actually think it's gonna be longing. Then also I did long 3 position over on Weex. If you wanna come and trade with me, you can do them, and the link will be down below. Easy, no KYC. There are $85 waiting for you in rewards, which as you see are this one right here. Deposit up to $200 and you get $30. Trade up to $1,000, you get $50. And you can do this with how many tokens you want, whichever tokens you want, as well as future trading bonus. So this will be linked down below. Make sure to come and join, but I am no financial advisor whatsoever, so do not take my trade for what is going to happen. I just risk my money and my money only. But I did open a Bitcoin long, I did open an Ethereum long, which we are in profit. I did open a Solana long as well, after the little dip that we had today that you've seen from the market. So this is my position. But if you want to come and trade, I also did money on my other account over here. I did short one of the BR token. If you've seen it also, it has gone live, and BR was one of those meme coin, and I did short it. So, but that was a smaller trade. My main account is this one, as you see here. The other one is a little bit more of an airdrop, which I do share my calls over on my telegrams for that one. Next up, we have the Stone airdrop. Now, the stoner journey footprint with Walkstone, as we see over here. You can go and check your journey from the link down below. Simply go over here, connect your wallet, put your MetaMask wallet in, connected. I personally never used StakeStone over here. And as you see here, they give you all this history, etc., etc. I don't know if we can go any faster, if we can simply, you gotta go through this whole thing. Anyway, once you get to the end of it, you will receive this. You will see your footprints, how many chains you've got, how many protocols. This is part of the airdrop allocation that you will receive. So let me know yours down below. Here, explore your journey, fetching your data. As we see here, I got 446 days since didn't even know it. So, all right, got 2 chains. I got 1 protocol, not bad. I got 8 transactions, better than nothing. So yeah, I guess maybe I will be eligible for something, maybe not. I didn't even know, to be honest. So make sure to go and check it, because you could also be a little bit, maybe yes, maybe no, maybe I didn't. It doesn't hurt anybody to go and check. It is free to go and check, so make sure to go and do them. Next up, we have the Reya network update. If you participate during the season OG, then you can mint this Reya OG NFT. The deadline is on April 1st. Simply connect your wallet, switch to their network, mint the NFT, and it's done. The link is down below. Connect your wallet, whether you got MetaMask, Phantom, etc. You will be connecting the wallet as we see right here. From the wallet connection, you click over here. You sign, you switch the network, you accept everything, scroll down, simply click over here, accept. Okay, there is no transaction going on whatsoever, you're simply accepting terms and conditions, and then you do all of this one. You switch and you will get the NFT. I personally didn't even use the Reya ecosystem, so it's useless that I go and participate in this one. We also have the Gomble games. Airdrop registration is now live. Make sure to go and do them, because we did participate in this one on the mini game that we had over on Telegram. If you remember that egg game, that it was like the bingo egg game. This is the airdrop that is gonna come soon. The G token is gonna come soon. Simply log in, get started, connect your wallet, do the logins and all of them, and then you're good to go to grab your share of airdrop. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Ciao, ciao.